What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. You guys know we love our home theaters and we love our home theater customers. I'm out here in Frisco, Texas, my old stomping grounds. You guys know we've been killing it all over Texas. Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio for years now. Last 10 years of my life I've spent installing tons of projects in Texas. And I got another amazing customer here that just wanted to say a couple words. He kept telling me how awesome we were, and I'm like, can you take the mic and just share with everybody how much we really pride ourselves on 5-star service? And he said, yeah. So I'm gonna just give a little testimonial to you guys about how much we care. You guys know that we ship throughout the entire nation now, and I'm working on building up our preferred installer network throughout all the major cities. Right now, Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio, Colorado, California, not all of California, but LA, Anaheim area, we're doing a lot there. And then Florida, down in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, New York, New Jersey. We're up in Virginia, Maryland, DC, tons of territories. And I promise you guys, we are diligently working on bringing on not any pros, but top-rated 5-star pros to join our preferred installer network that really believe in the same level of service that I believe in. And we're gonna implement that into every home in America. You guys know that's my goal. So enough talking, let's get into it.
Hey, like I reached out to Dreamedia as my son informed to go there, and I'm very much impressed about the service and the feedback and the post service as well. I'm really liking the service, and the feedback or the turnout time is also really great. I strongly recommend this company. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks. I really appreciate your kind words. Everybody that's watching this video, you know that we are on a mission to deliver an experience, really, or a home theater into every home in America, regardless of if it's a dedicated theater space like this or just a living room or your attic conversion or a basement. And our 5-star service and making sure that our clients really get the full potential out of their systems really is why we do it. We love this stuff, and we would love the opportunity to earn your business as well. Reach out to us today and we'll get a free consultation for you guys and get you all the industry-leading products. Oh man, I love to hear some kind words from my customers. Really brings joy to my heart. You guys know that we are on a mission to deliver excellence and put a theater into every single home in America, one house at a time, and we will not compromise on quality. You guys know that we have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and we itemize everything, got a free consultation service and installers to top it off. You guys give us a ring, we'd be happy to earn your business. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.